Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Paycom application. So let's get started right away. Now, if you open up the Paycom application and log into your account from within, you might find that some of your login information is still saved within the account. So in order to prevent this, exit the application first and then long press on the Paycom app icon. Now, from the available options, tap on the info button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the Paycom application info page. Now, from this page, first of all tap on force stop at the bottom right corner and tap on OK to stop the app. Then scroll down and tap on storage. From the storage menu, tap on the clear data button at the bottom left corner and then tap on delete to clear all of your user data for the Paycom app. Now, once you're done with this step, if you open up the Paycom application, you will find that none of your login information exists and you will need to sign in right from the beginning. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Paycom application safely and securely. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.